of rain coming. I'm gonna have to keep outrunning that. So coming over from Takapuna. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Wow, that's a kawai. Yeah, it smashed the lure. Just doing some twitchy SPJ action. About 2 meters off the bottom, that one. And yeah, I think just got smashed by that kawai. I'm sure it's a kawai, not a snapper. Oh, the rain's here. Oh, check out the sound of that. Woo! That's a good sized kawai. It's gone under the ski. This is on my little baitcaster setup with Daiwa Kohga reel and the Ocean's Legacy Longfall. Man, that wind's really picking up. I should really try and land the fish and get out of the way from the wind. But this fish has got a bit to go, I reckon. Get the net ready and see how that wind's picked up. I'm pretty much going to get wet anytime now. Anytime. Get really wet. So I get this net ready. And I might just net the fish and move. Maybe head north. Oh yeah, getting very soaked now. Oh, it's a rat kingy. Alright. Oh, quick release and I'll bugger off. Oh, no wonder it was so strong. Come on, come up, come up. I gotta get out of the rain. Getting soaked. Alright, saw the net, went back down. Oh, almost swam him into the net. There we go. Whew. Yeah, I'm getting soaked for this, but there's a rat kingy, a long contact mini 30 gram. Swap the hooks out for some smaller hooks. It's pretty good. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to use pliers to take the hooks out because I don't want it jammed into my hand. Alright, send it back. Off you go. Maybe I should move too. Might leave the camera on until I have retreated. I avoided the rain a little bit. I think I'm gonna just probably chuck a jacket on, rain jacket on, because the rain's gonna keep coming. Yeah, there could be a clear patch somewhere. Let's see what happens. So today, what I really wanted to do is do a bit of slow pitch jigging. The gear I used today, the Longfall rod being 7.3 inches, actually helped with the lift quite a lot. And then also this is paired with a Daiwa Kohga IC. Oh, straight on. Oh, it's a big snapper, yeah. That's probably about 38 centimeters snapper in the long contact rainbow. Here we go. Yeah, good shot. Oh, yeah, good weight. Good weight. Ooh.